Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. If you're trying to connect your Polk Signa S2 subwoofer and not getting any bass, it can be confusing, especially when everything is powered on but there's no sound coming from the sub. Many users expect it to connect instantly, but sometimes it needs to be paired or reset properly. Since the Signa S2 subwoofer connects wirelessly to the soundbar, even a small pairing issue can stop it from working. The good thing is that once you follow the correct steps, the connection is quick and your sound system will instantly deliver deeper, richer bass. Try these. Step 1. Plug in and turn on your Polk Signa S2 soundbar and subwoofer. Step 2. Make sure both devices are close to each other during setup. Step 3. Press and hold the pair button on the subwoofer. Step 4. Wait for the LED light to blink, indicating pairing mode. Step 5. Press the Bluetooth or pairing button on the soundbar, remote. Step 6. Wait for a solid light confirming successful connection.